that 90% of their work is done through partnerships with various churches. The voices, you hear the voices. So, the Saunders have provided cancer lectures, dental workshops, patient events in over 4 dozen cities, and they've worked with more than 100 African American stakeholders in the past, hospitals from coast to coast, and over 200 physicians and specialists throughout the United States on their journey that God has directed them to do. 50 Hoops has gained an unparalleled respect in both the medical and the faith-based communities throughout the United States. Their partnership with the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation in their second year of national touring brings them here this afternoon as a testimony to their dedication and education of African American communities nationally and for the concern of cancers of all types and varieties. They were here 2 years ago, and they come back again today to Washington, D.C., and this is the second stop in a 7-city tour that there's a new cancer initiative in town, TANCIT. So if you've never heard TANCIT before, and I know many people say, multiple myeloma, I don't think I've heard of that. Sit back, relax, enjoy your food, use your indoor voice, and get some wonderful information this afternoon. And so I want to bring Ed and Pat Saunders here and want us to welcome them as I present the founders for this auspicious occasion.
Good morning, good afternoon. We want to say thank you, first of all, to Pastor West and Mount Airy Baptist Church for bringing us back for a second year in a row. We had such a wonderful time last year that we said we must go back again. So here we are again for the second year. And as she said, we have 5 more cities to do after this. So we're on the go, we're on the move, we're saving lives, educating a lot of people, and we enjoy doing this. So we want to thank all of you for taking the time to come out to be a part of this historic event at Mount Airy. Now, people say I don't talk a lot, and I don't, but it's not always about how long you talk, but it's about what you say when you talk. So I'm going to pass the mic right now to my wife, Pat.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome. We're so happy. Thank you, Pastor West. Giving honor to God, being preachers' kids. We love our churches. So I want to ask you which church you belong to. Well, Mount Airy is one, because wherever we do our work, we consider ourselves a part of this family. So from coast to coast, we're members of Mount Airy Baptist Church. I wanted to let you know that this is a workshop. We're not just here to listen. As Dr. Kelly, Robin, to all of us, has said, there are mobile surveys being taken. But those of you, like me probably, who may not be comfortable on your phone, this is a packet. It's called the survey booklet. Now, if you have a mobile phone, it's not critical that you have the packet, but if you are not using your mobile phones, get this packet out, because the questions in this packet are the same questions that are on the mobile survey, and we need everyone to participate, whether it's on the phone, or whether it's with your pen and pencil, or whatever. We will need this done. The second thing I wanted to say is that we are very grateful to the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation, and especially to Mary Derone, who's sitting here at my right. I call her a sister from another mother, and we paint her chocolate because she gets it. She really gets it. And there are some people of diversity, of other races, who don't really get our culture. They don't really understand the soul of who we are. And I have to say that Mary does get our soul. And she has been the driving force because we are funded through them. And so she's been the driving force to push forward 50 hoops because she feels that we have access to the communities that this organization and we too need to go to visit and to revisit. So she is a highly technical person as a translational research manager. She's responsible for managing the research grant programs to help the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation. And she's been a director since for the last 3 years. And we could not do this. In fact, we would not do this were it not for Mary DeRum. So Mary, could you just stand for a second? That's my sister there. That's my girl. Thank you so much, Mary. Okay, and the third thing is that you guys, some of you had tickets in your badges. Don't throw those tickets away, because we have a big surprise for you at the end of the program. So if you had a ticket in your badge, hang on to those tickets, because we've got a great surprise for you here. Okay, I think that is about it. I'm going to turn it back over. Thank you so much for Dr. Doris Brown. Dr. Doris Brown is the former president of the National Medical Association, and she has been a friend, maybe absent, but I just feel like we knew her. As soon as we met each other, you meet somebody, you say, I know you, I want to know you more. And this is what this doctor has been to us. So thank you again, Dr. Brown. We really appreciate all you're doing. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And thank you for that wonderful insight of starting this program, bringing health information to the community of something that is much needed. Dr. Kelly, I don't know where she is. Yes, I think you're going to come back and tell us a little bit more about the survey. Maybe time to answer those questions on the first part of those pre-surveys. Yes.
So how's everyone doing with the survey? Everyone getting communication with your text? All right. So again, if you have any questions, qualms, data usage issues, go to that packet. The most important thing is to share with us your insight, to share with us what your thoughts are, be it on the mobile phone or be it on paper. We just want to hear from you. So if you didn't have any qualms or any problems or anything, we will again expect to have your pre-surveys done, and then you'll get about half an hour from now a little buzz to get your post-surveys. So stay tuned, listen out, and again, interact with us. Again, buy your survey, or as Pat said, if you don't feel comfortable, fill out the form in your packet. One other note, I think there's a Metro Access for someone here. If anyone's taking Metro Access, the van is out there for you. Thank you.
Okay. So now let's get on to the interactive part of the program. We've divided the program into segments. We're going to talk a little signs and symptoms for those of you who do not know what multiple myeloma is, and then we're going to talk a little bit about treatment. And so the first segment, I'm going to bring to you two wonderful physicians. And I should say that I'm a medical oncologist by training. I should say hematology oncologist by training. I did my training at Walter Reed, the old Walter Reed, and I worked around the country. And as Pat has indicated, I'm the past president of the National Medical Association, the 118th president, I should say. And just to take a little opportunity here to talk about the National Medical Association, is the oldest physician organization in the United States that serves primarily African American physicians. We will celebrate our 125th anniversary next year in Atlanta, Georgia. We started at a time when the American Medical Association would not allow our physicians to see their patients in the hospital or to be a member of that organization. And 5 really august physicians decided to start our own organization, and we have survived for 125 years.